Okay, guys, just a reminder of what we've done so far. Basically, we've created a blog post on a brand new site, Buy Bikes Online, and we're going to rank that blog post and hopefully the video as well. And it's very, very simple. Okay, so we don't have to make SEO complicated, especially for Amazon stuff. And although we are not targeting um, specific models with this sort of the niche ripping strategy, what we are doing is going for sort of broader term, like top rated exoputic bikes, for example, or exoputic recumbent bikes. We're talking about like subcategories or sort of categories of recumbent bikes or categories of bicycles, whatever it might be, whatever your type of product is. We're not going for the model, we're going for sort of list style post, which I guess should be a little bit harder to rank for, but I'm going to prove to you that it's really, really, really simple. Even, I've gone for slightly more competitive keywords, just using the tools that we've got, okay? And the tools that we're going to use is all in here in Traffic Scout Alpha, okay? So the main part is that we're going to do some video that we will put onto YouTube, and then we're going to take exactly the same video and we are going to send video sharing site links to that YouTube video, okay? And that's actually what we've done already, so it's very, very simple. So let me just show you in here. You can see I've got nothing in here that looks, terribly time consuming. We've got 360 quality video, choose a category, make it public. I've got one line of text and one URL in here to the YouTube video, okay? And the thumbnail settings I've used, and you can see that it's going to create a unique thumbnail for every single video that we upload, and the text that we're going to be using for the titles is coming from Longtail Alpha, okay? So I'll just close that. And for Longtail Alpha, all we did is we took 319 keywords that we did using the Google Keyword Planner and Key Search combined strategy. Okay, so then we grouped the keywords, etc. And we took the most relevant keywords from the keyword groups to use as our titles for those 319 video links that we're going to send from video sharing sites. Okay, why video sharing sites? Because it's just so easy to go and create the accounts. I mean, it's really, really super easy. I can go and create these all day long. As long as I've got some proxies and capture balance, it's going to work. We're getting success right now for 7 sites, and we seem to have a problem with Metacafe for posting, which we will get fixed. So basically, I'm getting 6 sites, including Dailymotion, MP4 Upload, PC Cloud, Get, ge.tt, Vidlocks, and Video Bash. Okay, now not too exciting, but it's working. Okay, it's working like gangbusters. It's really, really simple. So all we need to do is, when I come into the account section here, once I've set up my video, I'll come into the account section and we can click on this import button here and just import all of these. Okay, we're going to reuse these time and time and time again. These accounts, we do not have to do brand new accounts every single time. And you can see here I've got 319 accounts, which is why I used 319 Longtail Alpha titles. Okay, so we just put all those in that first column here because we took the keyword phrases already done for us. So after we have set up the accounts, we come into the options, ping the URLs, we checkbox index the URLs, send to Rank Tracker after uploading. Just have your Longtail Alpha keywords ready so that you can do that, and auto spin the videos before uploading, and choose here to use the Longtail Sind keywords, which I've done, and I've used the correct project for recumbent bikes. And I'm not doing automated social bookmarking because I've been too lazy to even create the accounts for it. Okay, so if I go into the social bookmarks, I've only got one bookmark done so far. It's running the second one right now. There's only 13 accounts there for me to use anyway, so no big deal. And when we have done all that, we just click on start uploading video. So I've used the same video as what I used on YouTube, okay, which took me about in a few minutes, if that, to create with the Clipman tool that creates videos from URLs. So I put in the Amazon product URL, it pulls back some images and it pulls back some text, and I can use what I want from it. Within about 60 seconds you can create a video if you do it properly, once you get used to it, okay? And then once we have done that, we have uploaded, and you can see here that we've got a problem with Metacafé, which I will get fixed today or tomorrow. But still, I've got 319 links. Now how do I know that? Because anything that fails, it still has to go through whatever we have in Longtail Alpha, okay? So if we've got one site failing, say for example I've lost 19 links here, then it's going to recreate those 19 headline videos with the 19 missing headlines. It will do whatever the Longtail Alpha amount is. So if I've got 350 Longtail Alpha keyword phrases for the titles of my videos, it's going to create 350 videos, even if it comes back around again into the same sites as before. Okay, so that's how it works. And that's the setup. I mean, it's really, really easy. After this is done, what we're going to do is pretty quickly we are going to run VidAttack Alpha. And between these two, it works, okay? Between these two, we will have page one rankings. It's guaranteed, it's absolutely guaranteed. So I will jump into the results. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days since I started the campaign. I put the video onto YouTube. I created the video using a tool called Clipman, which I did a promotion for last night. It's a little bit expensive, $67, but it's got that unique ability that you can just put in a URL and it will start to pull the information in from the URL, so you can create a video really fast, like 60 seconds kind of thing. And the video is sitting here at number 1 for the full title of the video, which is no big surprise, but you can see down here that we have got page 1 ranking as well for the actual blog post, which was created a couple of days earlier. Now all we have done so far is we have sent 319 links over to the video, which is probably why it's keeping its position here. And then we ran VidAttack Alpha, which is what's responsible for this ranking here on page 1 as well for the blog post, and that is because we had one link in the video description. You can see here, I've got that link in here, and we run high CTR from the search engines using VidAttack Alpha together with the high retention video views. So this blog post has not had any backlinks that I'm aware of anyway. It's just been created 4 days ago. I don't believe I did any backlinking there at all. Everything I did was via the video, okay, and you can see that we got page 1 rankings, but that's not a major keyword, that's using the full title. So let's go and see, let's take off some words here and we'll see if we're ranking again. Here we're number 2 and here we are number 4 or 5. Okay, so we've still got similar results. Let's try and take some more words off so it gets a little bit more competitive. And again, number 2 and number 3. Strangely enough, the shorter the amount of words, the higher we are ranking here, and that's probably because of the VidAttack Alpha. So you can see how easy this system is, how well it works. So all we need to really focus on now is making sure we got high quality content and conversions, okay, and putting our marketing elements into the site, because we know that we can get rankings. It's a very simple system. Create a video with Clipman, send 200-300 video sharing site links, okay, do some bookmarking. I think I only had 1 or 2 bookmarks already done by the time this was ranking, and then run VidAttack Alpha campaign. And if we go back into VidAttack Alpha here, we'll just remind ourselves what we did. We sent 101 view counts, so that's going to be about 25 for each, okay, and we had set the retention rate between 98 and 100%. We told it to go and search Google and YouTube. When it found a result in Google and YouTube, to click through on that result and watch the video between 98 and 100%. And you know, it's like 10 minutes work, literally 10 minutes work for creating the video, okay, because I already had accounts created with the Traffic Scout Alpha account creator, you can see in here I had 319 accounts. You know, that's just a matter of setting up this campaign, and in that campaign, I mean, literally, it's nothing major here. I've even got the video quality at 360. Okay, I've just put one link in the description here. You know, that's about 5 minutes work. So, you know, all within 10 minutes, you've created a video, put it onto YouTube, and made a campaign with the Traffic Scout Alpha Video Send Alpha tab. Okay, maybe 15 minutes max, and 15 minutes, and that's the results. Okay, so the keywords we put in there, we are sitting number 2 and number 3 in Google on page 1. Simple stuff, really, really simple stuff. SEO does not have to be complicated. You don't need to go through these hyperlink contortions and all these, so, you know, super tactical things. It's actually quite simple, especially for keywords that are for Amazon, etc. And the same will work probably for local as well. I know that local is getting a little bit more competitive, so we will do a case study on the local anyway. Using exactly the same strategy, we'll use the ClickBank, and you know, it might take 15 minutes to do the video because I'm talking when I'm doing it, but yeah, we can do that and we can test it, and I'm pretty sure that we will get ranking on page 1 for local keywords using exactly the same strategy. Actually guys, before we go, I need to take this further. Okay, so we've proven that system works. Okay, so what we want to do is, these are kind of long tail keywords. Okay, I don't know what the traffic value is for these right now. I'm not that bothered, to be honest, what the traffic value is for these keywords. It would be nice if there's traffic there, but I'm not really over bothered because I haven't put the marketing elements on my site right now. But what we want to do is we want to sort of get into the higher traffic keywords. Okay, so what we're going to do this time is we are going to take off some words, okay, so that we will go for things like actually let's do top rated executed bikes. Okay, we'll take off this under 200, because when we're using VidAttack Alpha, once we start to get click-throughs for these keywords, specifically these keyword phrases, that's what's going to put it, that's the keywords we're going to start ranking for. Okay, it's just the way it works. And I'm going to do this one, it's going to be top executed bikes. So we just keep taking words off, so we're getting into the more sort of higher traffic kind of keywords. And we can do this as well, we'll just put executed bikes. Okay, now I don't know if we're ranking for these keywords or not, but we will be if it can find them at least in YouTube. That will start to move it up, and then we can just run it again. So I've got 101 views done so far. I'm going to increase that. Let's go and make that about 150. You can see it's already automatically started, so 152, and we'll just leave it, let it run, and that's all you need to do. Just keep coming in, tighten it up, make the keywords more competitive, but start off with the long tails first. And if we start off with the long tails first, we will start ranking naturally for some of these sort of higher traffic keywords. Even if it's on page 10 of Google right now, we're going to push it into page 1 by doing exactly the same thing. And it's pretty effortless really, but that's what happens and that's what will work.